All right, here we are.
Here we are.
This is a strange one, Shay. Prepare yourself.
I know how Keith likes strange ones because he's had his eye on this beauty for a while now.
I've been eyeing this house for at least 2 years since we did the house across the street.
Yeah.
Finally got it.
I remember you had heart eyes for it.
Just because it's so unique.
It is very different.
Yeah, it's built totally differently. The materials are different, structure is different.
Stucco?
It is stucco, which is a challenge. And Michigan stucco is not the best. The stucco is not in great shape. We'll definitely have to do a lot of work to get it back to, kind of what it needs to be.
It's 3-1, 1,100 square feet. We got it for 6,500.
I can't wait to show you. I think you'll like a lot of the detail. And some stuff that they're definitely people won't like.
And some trash that you'll not be fond of.
Somebody's been using this house as an illegal dump ground, and they had just been piling trash in that front room, so couldn't really get through there safely. We popped around to the side door. Come on, Shay. Don't look down. Don't step anywhere.
Don't look down. Don't step down. Just levitate into the house.
Here we go, another house.
So much stuff in this house.
There's a lot of stuff.
Keith, you got your work cut out for you on this one.
This house is disgusting. This is so gross. How did I get here, Keith?
It's pretty nasty.
How did I get here? This is my life.
Yeah, lots of trash.
Lots of trash.
From the outside, the stucco and the whole shape of it kind of just reminds me of like a Tuscan villa, you know? Little cute little Italian house. So maybe we'll do that. I keep having visions of beautiful Italian frescoes.
Michelangelo.
No, not that. Like, Tuscan frescoes that are old and chippy and washed away.
It's not chippy.
Distressed. Anyway, let's move on. This room is what it is.
Nice dining room.
As you will see, it is very spacious.
Can this be saved?
It looks scarier than it actually is. The roof has not failed, which means that the structure is sound.
There's not like a ton of rot or anything.
No. The floors aren't buckled. We'll be able to at least cover them with good floors. And, it's simple layout, but it's a big space.
Okay. Nice dining room. Next!
Let us move to the kitchen. So the kitchen is actually much larger than we're used to.
Yeah, and the ceiling heights do seem kind of high.
Yeah.
That's over 8 feet.
Wow.
So that's nice.
That is super nice. You feel it.
Yeah.
Feels bigger.
Definitely do.
Okay, upstairs is very confusing. All right, so welcome to one of the strangest upstairs layouts I've ever seen. The bathroom is really weird.
It's just like a big, long rectangle. I don't really get it.
There's 2 toilets.
Two toilets.
It's plumbed for 2 toilet holes.
Dueling toilets.
Dueling toilets. Tiny tub.
Fun time.
It's haunted.
Let's see some bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms up here, but they have kind of like weird little halls and
they're small.
And they're small.
This is a weird split.
This is 1,100 square feet. It'll be a 3-1. But we should be able to stay under like a $60,000 to $70,000 budget on the renovation. So that kind of is like, where are we gonna land on price?
I feel like because of this weird layout, we're gonna have to price it lower. Because like you're sacrificing
Space. It does have some quirkiness about it. We probably can only list it at maybe 130. I'm really excited that the guys are willing to take on this job and get it all cleaned up and bring it back to its glory.
Gross.
Animals have like burrowed inside this thing.
They don't even turn. Ew. Is that an adult diaper?
Ew.
Yuck. There's like so many different forms of feces here, it's unbelievable. It's definitely one of the nastiest parts of the job.
Put it in the bag.
Yuck. The whole vibe is gonna be like old villa.
But we should do like modern version of it though.
Of course. The colors of a Tuscan sunset will complement the dark wood finishes, terracotta floors, stone accents, and wood beams of this Italian villa. really want to harken back that original kind of charm of the villas and Tuscany and the warmth. This is a really good-sized kitchen, actually. We're saying arrivederci to this tired kitchen and buongiorno to gorgeous cabinets running all the way to the ceiling, an old-world nook for the stove, and brass chandelier in the center of the room. We demoed the broken old chimney, and we are getting the kitchen prepared for our little nook for the stove with a little detail and the hood and the shelves. It should be a whole thing, so.
So have you figured out what you want to do for this alcove yet?
It definitely needs a hood moment.
It's like a rustic Italian kitchen needs something like that. I agree.
I've never been there.
It's true, you've never been there.
Maybe we should go to Italy.
It's amazing.
Well, the Italian house is making a lot of progress. The one thing that we're over here checking on is our massive investment in this exterior.
It's magnificent.
I know, it's like an Italian limestone dream.
I've never been so happy with a home exterior.
I mean, it's the most expensive exterior you've ever done. You better be happy with it. I have to say, there's just something rich feeling about it, because it's different.
And
you
it
know?
just looks expensive. We had to cut some things in the rest of the house to make up for the budget. So the upstairs is still the same as it was. We're just making the best of it. I was looking at the old timbers here on this awning.
Oh, yes.
How beautiful that would look if we stripped all the paint off
Oh, yeah.
and just sealed the raw wood. Wouldn't that look good, how beefy these timbers are?
Yeah.
Like, it looked very like rustic and charming.
Hurry up, my arms are failing me.
Hurry up! We don't have time. So it's full steam ahead on this Italian kitchen. We are finishing the trim out on the cabinets and installing the soffit to hide Jay's plumbing solution.
I'm excited about the countertops today. We're using a walnut herringbone butcher block. It should definitely warm up the space with some of these light tones. Do you mind handing me a box of each color? So the tile in the bathroom is giving me everything I wanted for this rustic Italian bathroom. Oh, that is so elegant.
Okay.
All right, let's get to work.
Yeah, let's get this hood up.
We love doing hoods like this because they're just really simple, clean. It's not taking away from the rest of the kitchen. It's just a really nice little statement piece, but the olive wood is gonna be incredible.
Let's find the studs.
We're already here.
Because you don't, there,
how about
right
that?
there. Yeah, that's perfect.
It's so,
like-
so nice to have somebody else do the woodwork.
I mean, you want the olive wood to be the focal moment, and
Yeah.
the gleam and the tile.
Your goal is to keep that wet as I cut, just to keep dust on it. It was really fun to work with Dave and Jenny because it's very collaborative. We're all creative, but in somewhat slightly different ways. Similar, but different. Energetically, it's just such a good flow.
If we were working together all the time, we would achieve some great things.
It's true. I can't even imagine. Ooh, I like it. That's the tile. That looks good.
Hi,
Thank you.
Yay!
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Jenny. So good to see you. So good to see you, too.
So I met Jenny and Dave a couple of years ago in South Carolina, and at the time we bonded over our love for animals and design and home renovation. If you would have seen this place before,
I can't even imagine.
I don't think you would even be in here.
Look at the hood that Dave helped us build.
Olive
That
wood.
is amazing. Olive wood?
Olive wood, yes.
It's really cool. It actually smells like olive. Like,
Oh my goodness, it's
Isn't
so
it pretty?
pretty. From a realtor's perspective, as you guys know, kitchen sale houses with this hood vent and the wood and all the light, it will definitely shine.
Oh, that's a great color. Jenny had an idea to do olive, which is really perfect. The olive leaf color is just absolutely gorgeous.
looks nice.
Oh, wow, that's really pretty.
She just nailed it. The theme is on point. Love
Bravissimo!
it. I feel like this was an incredibly successful and very productive collaboration, and it was just really fun. We love working with them. We always have a great time, a lot of laughing.
So this house is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,100 square feet. We bought it for $6,500. And our original budget, we were hoping to cap it around 70, but with the stucco, we have crept over 100,000 now. We're at 105 for the reno budget. So I'm hoping Shay can sell it for at least 140.
So I'm pretty certain I could have saved us like $24,000, but Evan insisted on hiring a professional.
Yeah, I think we would still be stuccoing it. He doesn't even have scaffolding.
Do not underestimate me.
He would be up there on an extension ladder, just like
Icing the house like a cake.
I know I originally said 140, but with the comps in the neighborhood selling very well, I feel confident we can list closer to 145, maybe even 150. Thank you so much for coming by today, ladies.
We literally saw the house before they did anything. This doesn't even look like the exact same place.
Definitely love the yard. I could picture a garden,
Yes.
tomatoes,
Oh, that would be nice.
things like that. Like my grandmother would have a field day out here.
I just love the stucco.
Thank you.
I like the copper gutters.
Thank you.
And it really stands out on this block, right?
It does.
The theme for this house is the Italian house.
I can
So
see
it's a
that.
touch of Italy, because
Yeah.
it feels like Italy, right?
It truly does.
Now that you say the theme, it really stands out, especially the
Right?
stairs and the rustic look of the posts.
Yes.
The black. I'm seeing the lights. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get in there and see them.
Well, let's go and check it out. Follow me. We'll go in the side.
Isn't this exciting? I love it.
Here, come on in.
I'm so excited.
This is the living room.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't it so pretty?
Oh my goodness. It looks like you instantly go on vacation in your head. Am I right?
Oh, wow. This is nice.
It is nice.
This is nice. I didn't even expect this from the outside.
It's just so nice and bright.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and bright, tall ceilings. I do think it's nice.
I think so too.
Just be a nice place to cozy up and snuggle.
I agree.
Oh, my God. I love this house. I swear, I literally love this house.
All right, so the kitchen and dining, I think, is kind of like the big focal moment of this whole house. Really nice sized dining room.
Yeah, I'm obsessed
Oh, thank you.
with this nice accent. This is great.
Oh my
I love the
goodness.
chandelier.
Me too.
Wow.
How many square feet did you say this was?
1,100.
1,100.
But it feels nice. It feels bigger,
Yeah,
right?
it does. Everything just feels very relaxing, very nice.
I can already see the kitchen. I'm getting excited.
Yeah, the kitchen is definitely the highlight of this
Yeah.
house.
Oh my gosh, the backsplash looks so good. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Wow.
terracotta tile, handmade.
I've been to Italy my share of times for work, and it's like this. It's warm. It's cozy. Like, yeah.
Perfect.
This green looks really good.
I love it, right?
This
Yes.
is amazing.
And actually, the color was inspired by the leaf of an olive tree.
Wow. Like, how did you get this color? How did you get this color?
To me, an old copper sink just feels so Italian, you know?
Yes.
I mean, literally, you feel like you've been catapulted into an entirely different country.
We also have olive wood from Italy. We had a friend who sent it to us, and so we put it in the house.
Oh, that would be my center point. You forget that sink. This is imported. How cool.
Imported olive wood, yeah. It was really fun to work with Dave and Jenny. This house feels more special than normal. Having their touch on it definitely feels like they were there with that hood, so it's very fun.
It looks like our own little fixer to fabulous here in Detroit.
All right, let's see upstairs. I love upstairs, too.
So this is the bathroom.
Wow. I love this. I love this.
It looks good.
This would definitely be one of the places that I would shut the door and keep everybody.
Wow, the towel is the same as the kitchen, and I noticed it's on the
You
floor.
are absolutely right.
It's like, it really matches. It looks great.
Everything here is nice.
I agree.
This is all nice.
I think you found your home.
I think I did too. I think I did too.
There is more to see. Follow
check it out.
me.
This bed.
I didn't think they could exceed our expectations.
And to give you an idea of the space, this is a queen-size bed, yet you still have some room to move around.
They have completely transformed this place.
Yes. We got a really, really good response from today's buyers. They couldn't get over how bright and open the house is. They absolutely love the kitchen.
They did an amazing job. It looked like it mattered to them. This wasn't just about a project, but they put a piece of themselves in this home.